Time now for your transfer update.
Now, the breaking news, and we knew it was happening. Now it has happened.
He's a good signing, and you can clearly see why a lot of clubs were after him. He's still young. He's obviously got a lot of potential and a lot of sort of, you know, growth within that ability that we've already seen. He's certainly got the physicality that you think could certainly perform in the Premier League. He's a real presence. You feel that, you know, if they want to play the ball into him, he can certainly hold the ball up and link play. He's also got pace to get in behind. We know that he's a goal scorer, but again, I think he can even get better with that. So you just feel with Manchester United's business, with those attacking players that they've already brought in with Premier League experience and quality, you're then adding a young player with a lot of potential to that. And it must be really exciting for Manchester United fans, because after such a poor season last year, a season where we know that they needed to add more goals and more creativity, you look at that front line now and you think, wow, this could be really exciting for Manchester United.
UOL Esporte, one of the most important media in Brazil, reported again the story about the United and also reported about a meeting with the agents of the player. What I can confirm is that yes, a meeting took place in the recent weeks. It's not yesterday or today or tomorrow, but it already took place a few weeks ago between the agents and Manchester United. It's true, the information from Brazil. A meeting took place and Manchester United maintain a very good relationship with the agency, brought by one of the biggest agents in the world. So it's normal to have meetings with top agents for top clubs. That's absolutely normal. Then from that to meeting and reaching an agreement on personal terms, meeting and go to sign the player in the summer, there is still a long way to go. In a video this week is appreciated by Man United, yes, but also Tonali is appreciated. Other players are in the list. Elliot Anderson, who is also a topic at Manchester. There are many things to clarify before Man United decide to say, okay, this is the midfielder we want to get. As soon as Man United will decide.
United ready to replace Casemiro. To midfielders incoming. Manchester United are gearing up for one of their most important summer transfer windows in recent years, with rebuilding the midfield now viewed as the club's top priority. Following an inconsistent season filled with injuries, lack of balance, and defensive instability in midfield, the Red Devils are now preparing for a major overhaul at the center of the pitch. According to growing reports surrounding Old Trafford, replacing veteran midfielder Casemiro has become Manchester United's primary objective. While the Brazilian remains one of the most experienced players in the squad, concerns over form, mobility, and long-term suitability have pushed United into aggressively exploring younger and more energetic alternatives. Several names have already emerged on the club's shortlist, with Atalanta midfielder Éderson continuing to attract strong interest from United's recruitment team. The Brazilian has impressed across Europe with his athleticism, composure on the ball, defensive intelligence, and ability to dominate transitions in midfield. United believe he fits the profile needed to inject intensity and balance into the system. Alongside Éderson, Fernandes has also been mentioned among the midfield targets, being monitored as United explore multiple options ahead of the summer window. The club's plan reportedly involves bringing in at least 2 midfielders, although that number could increase depending on departures and market opportunities. The focus is clear: Manchester United want to build a midfield capable of competing with Europe's elite once again. The coaching staff are believed to be prioritizing players who can press aggressively, retain possession under pressure, and provide physical presence throughout the season. Supporters are already buzzing with excitement as the club appears ready to back a significant rebuild. With Ineos now heavily involved in football operations, fans are hoping smarter recruitment decisions can finally restore United to the top level of English and European football. A huge summer awaits at Old Trafford, and Manchester United's midfield revolution may only just be beginning.